So I can get you in the picture. You can go closer. Come on, come with Nana.
I don't want it to him. Wow. He's so cute.
Did you like feeding the horses?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
Come on, let's go a little further in with Nana. Come on. Come on, let's go see them. Oh, isn't he beautiful?
Hi. Hi.
We're just a little timid. This is our first time.
Some of them bite, so be careful she doesn't
What's
stick her
his-
finger.
Okay,
What's
yeah,
his
well, they're up
name?
high, so
What's his name?
they have all have different names.
What's the horse's name?
That one right there, the Pinto,
Yeah.
April.
April. Oh, how pretty.
Aw,
She's a pretty girl.
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that horsey.
Oh, yeah, he's knocking on the door.
No.
That's what, you know what he mean? That means he wants to eat. He's banging on, so he bangs on the metal bowl there. That means he wants something to eat.
Oh, we don't have any food.
No, we don't have any food. It's okay. Oh, there's lots of them. Look at them all down there. A lot of horses. Want to walk a little further with Nana? Come on. Come on. Look at that one on the end, how big he is.
Ooh.
Wow.
He's so
Okay, you want me to pick you up?
Nah.
Say hi to Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Tell Daddy what you did.
We feed a horse.
Yeah. You did good job, too.